In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail notifications. This process is straightforward and will ensure you never miss an important email again. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the Gmail interface and you'll see the settings icon which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. Clicking it once will present a drop-down menu with a few options, but what you're going to focus on is the option that says See All Settings. Click on that link to enter the main settings page. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. Make sure you're in the General tab. This is where you'll find most of the general preferences for your Gmail account. Scroll down this page slowly, keeping an eye out for the section labeled Desktop Notifications. It's important to take your time here as you want to make sure you locate the correct section to make these changes effectively. Once you've found the desktop notification section, you'll notice a couple of different options. What you're looking for is the option that says New Mail Notifications On. This setting is what allows you to get notifications when new emails arrive. Go ahead and click on it. Activating this will ensure you receive those helpful alerts whenever you get a new email in your inbox. After you've selected New Mail Notifications On, there's one more crucial step. Scroll down to the bottom of that settings page and you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on this to apply all the alterations you've made. This step is essential because if you exit the settings without doing so, none of the changes will stick and you'll have to begin from scratch again. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have Gmail notifications enabled, helping you stay on top of your emails as they arrive. Remember, managing notifications effectively can greatly enhance the efficiency of how you use Gmail, so it's worth checking your preferences occasionally to ensure everything's set the way you like it. If you have any additional questions or would like to learn more about other Gmail features, feel free to explore the settings further. I hope you found this guide helpful and effective. Thanks for watching and have a great day staying connected with all your important emails.